In this video, you'll see how to load a section head tag into the current project, and how to create a new section head type and edit its properties, and then create a new view type based on that section head. I have the exercise file section head open, and it opens in the first floor plan view here, and we can see that we have several sections already created, and they represent the locations of the sections that we can see in the project browser. A section line is used to indicate the location of a section, and the section head is used to help coordinate drawings by indicating the sheet and detail number that the section view is placed upon. This means that when viewing a plan, if a section is relevant, we can see the sheet and the view number that we need to open to view that section. We'll create a new section marker type to help us personalize the look of our drawings and to help group the sections in the project browser. First, we need to load in the new section tag. So to do this, we'll go to the Insert Ribbon tab, and from the Load from Library panel, we'll click Load Autodesk Family. This will open up the cloud-based Autodesk content browser. And first, we just need to check that the locale region settings are set to United States Imperial. And then, having done that, we'll search for section. And then on the left-hand panel here, we'll browse to annotations. And then from the list of results, we can pick the section head 1.open family here. And then click load to download this into our project. Now, to create the section tag, we'll first go to the Manage Ribbon tab. And then from the Additional Settings drop-down, on the Annotations submenu here, we'll click Section Tags. And this will open up the type properties of the section tags here. We can see we have the half-inch head type. So we'll click Duplicate to create a new one. And we'll name this Sketch Section Tag. And then click OK to create that new tag type. Now, looking at the graphics panel here, we can see we have the section head parameter, and we'll click on, and from the drop-down list, we can now choose the section head 1.open that we just downloaded. And then we'll click OK to create that new section tag type. Now, to make use of the new section tag, we need to edit one of the section markers. So we'll select the long section here in the view. Now, looking at the type selector, we can see that is the half-inch head section type here. And we'll click Edit Type to access the type properties. And now we'll click Duplicate to create a new section type, and we'll call this Sketch Sections. And then we'll click OK to create that new section type. Now, looking at its type parameters, we can see the section tag parameter. It's currently the half-inch head type, so we'll click on. And then from the button that appears, we need to open up the type properties of the section tags. And now from the drop-down list for types here, we'll choose our Sketch Sections tag, and then click OK to assign that into our section type. So we'll click OK to save the new section type. And straight away in the view, we can see that we now have that new marker that we downloaded. And looking over in the project browser, we have a new group for sections here, the sketch sections, and that long section has now moved into that group. So now we can pick on one of the existing sections here, and in the type selector we can see that's the half-inch head type. We can now choose the Sketch Sections type, and the marker will change and it will move into the Sketch Sections group in the project browser. We can also create a new section, so from the View Ribbon tab, on the Create panel here, we'll click the Section tool. Now from the type selector, we can choose our Sketch Sections type. And now when we draw our section line in, so we'll sketch this through the middle of the building here, we can see that uses that marker. We can use the control here to cycle through to the same marker on the other end. And we can also see in the project browser section 1 under the Sketch Sections group. So that completes creating our new section head type, and it's the end of this video.